Can AI feel emotions? Currently, artificial intelligence, AI, systems do not have the ability to truly feel emotions like a human does. AI systems can recognize and respond to certain emotions based on patterns and data, but they do not have the ability to experience emotions themselves. Some AI systems can be programmed to recognize and respond to certain emotions in human speech or text, such as in sentiment analysis, but it doesn't mean they are experiencing the emotions themselves. Also, some AI systems have been developed that can generate emotional responses, such as in virtual assistants or chatbots, but these are pre-programmed responses and not true emotions. Emotions are a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that involve physiological, cognitive, and behavioral components. They are also subjective experiences that are not easily quantifiable or reducible to simple algorithms. So, it is unlikely that AI will be able to truly experience emotions in the near future. It's worth to note that AI researchers are still working on developing AI systems that can understand and respond to emotions in a more sophisticated way. But these are still in the early stages of development and far from mimicking human emotions.